What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to buy the Propy token on Coinbase. As you can see, I'm already logged into my account, but if you don't have an account yet, then sign up through the link in the description and you will get 10 euros of Bitcoin for free. So once you have done that, log into your account and you will arrive at this page. And the first step is to use the search bar right on top. We are going to search the Propy token, and as you can see, there it is. So now select the token and you will arrive at the token page. As you can see, we have a price chart over here, and you can change that manually by clicking on these time frames, and then the time frame will change so you have a better overview in the price actions. So if you want to know more about this coin, then you can read through this information. Maybe check the stats of the token, like the market cap, volume, circulating supply, all-time highs. You can check everything, and once you have decided to buy these coins, then we can head over to this trading section. And basically you have three options: a buy option, sell and convert option. And beside of that, you also have a order type. But for now we will leave it on a buy option, and then we will select our order type. Now currently the one-time order is selected, and what this does is basically you're placing just one single order for the current market price. If you would like to buy these on a daily, weekly or monthly base, then you are able to set a recurring buy, and you will be spending the same amount of money every week, every day or every month. So that is basically how it works. And once you have decided to how much you want to spend on this order, then you can fill in the amount, let's say 1000 euros, and then you can see here the amount of coins we are receiving for that. Now the next step is to select your payment method. Very simple. If your preferred payment method is not in this list, then you can simply add a new payment method by clicking on this button down below. And once you have done that, select the payment method and check if you have selected the right coin. Next to it, you can review your order, and then we will head over to the last section. Now I will give you guys a very useful tip. Every order or trade you make on Coinbase, you are paying a transaction fee. On this order, it is already 38 euros. And if you want to save yourself a lot of money, then use the Coinbase One subscription. As you can see, we are already saving ourselves 38 euros on this trade. So that is a lot of money. If you do this weekly or monthly, then you can save yourself a lot of money, especially with the free trial of 7 days. Definitely try it out. And if you decide that you don't want it, then just stop it. So then it will cost you nothing, but you will only save some money. For the next step, once you have decided to buy these coins, then you can click on buy now, and these coins will be automatically added to my assets on the left side. Hopefully this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers, guys!